This is the quietest helicopter of its class in the world. More importantly, it's also the safest helicopter ever produced. So relax and enjoy this unique aerial view of Niagara. You're in good company. We fly over 100,000 people every year. Among them, such celebrities as Sir Richard Branson, singer Elton John, actor Russell Crowe, and golf legend Greg Norman. As we bank over the Great Wolf Lodge, you have a clear view of the Spanish Aerocar, about 1,500 feet below us. This aerial tram carries sightseers over the mesmerizing waters of the Niagara Whirlpool. The whirlpool's current is so strong that objects can be caught in its swirling waters for weeks before escaping into the lower river.
Y'all, this was so much fun. Zane and I had an amazing time. It was a great experience and I have to do this again. This is something that I most definitely have to do again. That's it for today's video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, peace out, and God bless.